Hello, it's Spencer here, and this is going to be a review on the LEGO Star Wars set 75005 Rancor Pit. Comes with 380 pieces, and it is ages 8 to 14. So, yeah, I'll give you a quick look at it right now. Got the Rancor in there, holding the Gamorean guard. Got Luke. We got a bucket. Sorry, not a bucket, a barrel. Rake key. There's the bucket. And there is, I don't know what his name, but he's the Rancor keeper. His name is Malakili. I'll go over that one. We go over the minifigures. And it also comes with this skeleton. That's what it looks like from the top. And there. So now we'll go over the minifigs for this set. So it comes with Luke, Gamorean guard, a skeleton, and malakili, and also the Rancor. I'll go over the Rancor after this. First we want to see these guys. Here is malakili, the Rancor keeper. Comes with his staff thing. Some hair on his chest there. Back printing. He has a double-sided face. Here's the first one. Him. Just a regular face. And then his other face, he's sad because the Rancor died, and there's a little tear. He's pretty sad about that. Here's Luke. Let me get it focused. There he is. And yeah, I really like this new Luke. It's really cool. Does not come with a lightsaber. Back printing, also really nice. Comes with a bone. And he also has two faces. His other face is happy. And then here's Gamorean guard. We got him in Jabba's palace. Really nice figure. I really like this guy. Glad to have two of them now. Like printing. I guess I'll show you with the headpiece off. It's just this. Here's him. Pretty awesome. And also comes with a skeleton, just regular plain old skeleton. And the reason to buy this set is the Rancor. This is extremely, extremely awesome. His hands do a full rotation. I don't have two hands for you right now, so I probably can't do that for you. Really awesome chain on his wrist. His wrists can move all the way around, and his fingers are also adjustable, so we can hold minifigures. And what's really awesome, he has an opening mouth. Oopsies. Opening mouth. And if I can, I'll try and get a minifigure in there. The Gamorean guard does not fit, but any regular minifig. Luke would fit if he had his hair on, but I only have one hand right now, so yeah. As you can see, whole minifigure does fit in his mouth. Really awesome. I really love this figure. Nice tail. I really like the detail. The only thing they left out is the ear piercing. That's the only thing they left out. I would have liked it if they could have just printed on a little bit, but oh well. The eyes on this guy, they really turned out good. Good job, Lego. And yeah, he is probably worth $80 to me. The set cost $80. This guy alone is probably worth $80. And here's the set. So I'll go to the front of it. Set is pretty good. Not too many features, but I guess I'll go over them. This gate can lift up, and you can lock it in with there. And I guess you can get the Rancor in there and drop it on him. Let's try that again. Yeah, he died. Yeah, like that. So you can recreate the movie. That's pretty sweet. So yeah, and also this door can open. There's a little bucket. I like this bucket a lot. And this comes with a little piece of chicken in here. Little piece of chicken. Little button thing. And this skeleton head, if you lift it up here, comes with a bunch of bones in there, an extra key. And also, last but not least, here there's a little cave. And you can see there's two little pegs. You just get Luke out of this guy's mouth. You can put Luke in there. There is two little pegs to stand him upright, but I'm not going to do that because I only have one hand. It's pretty tough because I'm holding the camera with the other. But yeah, overall it's a really good set. I really like it a lot. I'll be doing a separate video of Jabba's Palace, and in that Jabba's Palace video, I'm probably going to be making the big tower of connecting this to Jabba's Palace, like it shows right here. So if you want to see the Rancor Pit connected to Jabba's Palace, go to the Jabba's Palace review, which will be up soon. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and here's the instruction manual. And these are the extra pieces, and it does come with a brick separator, which is always good. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and check out my other videos, and yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye.